This is like ridiculous.
An hour off time.
No, we're not.
30 minutes.
He's a maniac.
He's a goalie. Just the way they are.
I love hockey. Hockey bird.
Ew.
Alright, it's on. We're recording. Yes, I've done it. I've successfully recorded, Francis. I pressed the button. What do you have to say now that you're on video log?
You've been well coached.
Addison?
Are you gonna make it?
Are you feeling very anxious the fact that we only got out of the house at 7:30 for a 1:30 game in Dallas?
He's the goalie, man. Don't you know?
What does that mean, being the goalie?
There's
What
no
does that mean
backup
to
goalie.
me?
He's the only one.
I have to be there by 12:30, an hour earlier.
Right.
Or 12.
If the goalie gets lost in traffic.
So if literally like we hit this wall right here, or this giant SUV, or any of these other road obstacles,
then 40 people get their weekend ruined. 40 parents who have spent like $400. And we're going up against the Texas Junior Stars.
who?
The Texas Junior Stars.
They sound villainous.
Don't they?
Ooh, there's the W. Have you stayed at that one, Francis?
No, I don't travel. I just quiet evenings at home with you, baby.
You're sweet to settle down and live a simple life with me.
Aren't I? It's not really called the Silver Bullet.
It's the train.
It is the Silver Bullet.
Well, because
I think-
the cans, Jake, those beer cans are silver, so they call it the Silver Bullet beer.
I think Texas invented the Silver Bullet, didn't it?
Texas invented everything, didn't it?
It's we're the home of the Silver Bullet now.
That's what the indoctrination coaches tell me.
If you look it up, the origin always comes back
What
to Texas.
school is
The
that?
root word is Texas.
Well,
Hey, shot my bird off the bird.
Don't hit the bird. Giant flag, that's a very Texas thing. We have the biggest flags in the United States.
It's true.
If your flag isn't at least as big as a football field, you're nothing here. You're flying a normal size flag.
What you doing?
I'm paying my $1,500 insurance bill.
Let's go to Subway, Skip. Clearly you want to. All right.
We'll go here. Let's just try it. We're here. Let's go. We'll try it.
It's fine. It
We'll
costs
try it.
We're going.
No, I don't know.
We're going.
Let's
You
just
said
go
we're
try
gonna
it.
pay more
We're
if we
going
get
Well,
to
I don't know. I haven't been here. Let's try it. We'll
You've
try
been
it.
to Jimmy
Do
John's.
something new.
How would you know?
Jimmy John's.
All right.
Jimmy John's is more expensive.
Let's go.
If-
Come on.
How would you know
I don't
that?
I
know.
don't want to bait.
Well, then why don't you
See,
say
I
that?
do the same thing, and you don't ever want to do the same thing.
I'm okay
You like
doing the
something
same
new
thing.
every time.
I thought
It's like
we
this
wouldn't
Brothers
fight.
Produce.
One
We've
with
never
the
heard of
camera.
it. Let's get something out of that truck.
It might
We've
be.
never seen this. It might be great. And if it's not, then we have something to talk about all day.
Let's go Subway. Which way do I go? Right?
says go right here and take a right.
Nobody puts birdie in a box.
Well, I just
We could eat at racetrack. Do they have a Subway in the racetrack? Is that where it is?
What was that UT quarterback you liked?
I didn't like him. It's just no, I don't know him. I just think it's a great football name. Colt McCoy. Okay, now go straight. Put your bird in your box, honey. Carry it.
Trash, bring it with
I can put it in my backpack. Everybody grab a load of trash. You can have that.
Can't do it nearly as well as Tom Cruise did.
Get a zoom shot of that.
He's coming back. It's him with dinner. He has dinner for us.
There was this
Southwestern goat.
There's this old guy in there making sandwiches. Yes. And they're rocking like the most pop rap, like funked up. It's like a nightclub in there.
And he's in there
like,
alone.
I can't feel my face when I'm with you. And I'm like, and then I'm like, how's your day going? He's like,
It's crazy.
can't do it nearly as well as Tom Cruise did.
Is this one of their like songs? You think Subway by?
Very popular song.
Oh, it is.
That's why Tom Cruise did it on Jimmy Fallon.
Oh. It's a catchy song.
It's just that hooky line. It's like in the middle of a love song.